Welcome to today's video. If you're a real estate agent looking to take your business to the next level, you may be wondering which real estate tool or platform is the best choice for you. In today's video, we're going to be talking about ChatGPT, and we're going to be comparing it to other real estate tools on the market and explaining why ChatGPT is the best choice for your business and where your focus needs to be. So what sets ChatGPT apart from other real estate tools and platforms? Well, the answer is really simple. It's designed to help us as real estate agents be more efficient. I mean, there's a ton of tools and platforms out there that offer really generic features and tools, but ChatGPT can absolutely transform our business and can be tailored to really our unique needs as the real estate industry. So picture this, right? You're using a generic CRM tool that's supposed to be designed for all businesses, right? And you're having a hard time managing your real estate business in it. You're struggling to customize the tools that you need, and you're not really seeing the results you want. Does that sound familiar? Well, that's where ChatGPT comes in. But don't just take our word for it. Let's compare ChatGPT to other real estate tools on the market and really see how it stacks up. Think of ChatGPT like a custom-built sports car designed specifically for the unique needs of real estate agents, right? Or imagine ChatGPT like a tailor-made suit that fits you perfectly, while other tools and platforms are like the off-the-rack clothing that just doesn't really quite fit right. So what are some features that make ChatGPT the best choice for agents? Well, let's take a look. Number one, contact management. When you integrate ChatGPT with your CRM system, you're going to see that you can easily manage contacts and keep track of important information like such as interests and preferences and even buying history. This really allows you to tailor your communication to each individual client and really provide a personalized experience, even if it's AI doing the communication for you. Or appointment scheduling. With ChatGPT and AI, there's easy to use appointment scheduling tools now that keep track of all your appointments in one central location. There's no double bookings, no missed appointments. They can even make outbound reaches to book appointments for listings for if you're showing buyers, right? Or number three, lead tracking. With AI and ChatGPT, you can track all your leads, monitor their progress through sales funnels, and you can even communicate with them throughout the journey, making those touches real and giving you a higher likelihood of conversion. Also, customization. Number four, customization. Unlike any generic tool that offers a one-size-fits-all, ChatGPT actually allows you to customize what you need it for. You find a who that can do the customization, and you can pretty much use it for anything to increase your workflow. But what about other real estate tools on the market? How do they actually compare? Well, one agent used a generic CRM tool to manage their real estate business, but really found it was super hard to customize and just lacking real estate specific features. So he ended up making the switch and went to a CRM that integrates with ChatGPT and just saw instantly the workflow and productivity change. Another student that I'm working with actually had a generic social media content tool that managed his postings, but it was just really generic and a manual process and didn't care for it at all. So he switched and had ChatGPT do all of that and just found it to be easier and had everything tailored specifically to our industry and what he was going through that day. So I think it's really a no-brainer. You would choose ChatGPT because it can be designed for us in the real estate industry with features, tools, workflows, processes, all to our unique needs. That's the lowdown for today, comparing ChatGPT to other tools. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the updates on how real estate agents can hack their lives, how you can become more efficient and more profitable. Make sure to turn on the notifications so you never miss an episode. I'll see you guys on the other side.